one thing to be good to track is, basically your sign up journey. So how many people actually sign up or show intention to sign up and actually make it to the end? So one way to tracking that is basically create a span, create some child spans or even span events that will that will kind of mark the journey. You can add an attribute every time you reach a certain stage. There's different ways of modeling it, depending on what you want to do in terms of querying. And then at the end, if the user successfully reaches that goal, you could end the trace as a success. Otherwise, if they're abandoned it through the middle, you could, if they background the app and you consider it abandoned, you could abandon it by marking the span as being failed. So that will track your initial journey. And then from that point on, for all successful journeys, you could maybe then start another kind of span. Knowing that the only way to trigger that span is if you land there successfully from your previous login journey or sign up journey, then you can basically tell what people's intentions are in terms of where they want to go. Now, from that point on, things get a bit tricky because you can go from activity to activity, and data can get a little bit complex. But I would start small and then get some useful data, validate that the data is correct, and then build on that. Because I think at least having that where do folks launch off to after they sign up? I think that would probably provide you a good enough kind of first cut. Oh yeah, 50% of people go to page A, 30% go to page B. Oh, but among those people, to go to page A, half of them don't actually successfully load that page. Oh, why? Oh yeah, because it's slow, or whatever it is. So I would start there.